Hello, everyone. You guys need a Red Bull because you need someone who can boost your emotional well being. You really want to feel motivated, energetic, positive, right? If that's a thing, then I am here for you. I am Rajat Khatri, a certified happiness coach and a leader in a reputed organization. And while working from home, I have experienced the downside. I have experienced that extra stress or depression that because you are always involved in work, you're not exchanging feelings with others, you're not taking frequent breaks, you're not exercising. So therefore, your mental well-being is not at the level where it has to be. Therefore, you're feeling some kind of unhappiness. You're not very happy at work. But in this video series, I'm going to talk about such tips and tricks and hacks that have been proven by science to have done wonders for the people who have implemented it. And I'm going to give you the same tip. So today's tip is be more positive and receptive. What do you mean when I say that be more positive and receptive? So let's assume you are on a call and you are discussing about a business problem. Usually people are not receptive to the ideas and they try to discourage when others give some kind of a plan, or they give a plan B, or they give an alternative solution, and everyone is like, nah, we have seen this is not working, this doesn't work, this is how what I've seen from my previous experience. What I'm just saying is, in this situation, if you reject the ideas of others, even others are not they are not feeling much better. So these kind of ideas will actually bring even their confidence down. So in this time, what we need to do is we really need to be positive and work as a team, and let's be more receptive and positive to these new ideas. Let's brainstorm it together, right, and try to find the best possible solution which can be implemented and it's beneficial for the business. This tip has really worked very well for many people, especially in the team meetings and especially when it's within the leaders, because they are trying to come up with a different business plan of how they can boost the sales of the organizations. And rather than being rather than rejecting the ideas, there are many companies who have changed their approach towards being more receptive, and they've seen that suddenly the level of brainstorming has improved. Suddenly new and new ideas are coming up, quick hacks are coming up, and that is why businesses are implementing it quickly to get better results. So next time whenever you go to such meeting, make sure that at least you are positive and receptive and you accept the ideas of others. I'm not saying accept all the stupid ideas, but at least show some kind of a consent to them so that even they feel better about it. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and follow me so that in my upcoming videos where I'll be talking about more of such tips and tricks and hacks that have seems to work for others and proven by data and research, I'll be sharing that with you. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.